MeghalayaPost.news.
Skul Savio Hss School Baridua balap penyait sister SMMI kabari nagi Shlem Pule kabala nang Kiew panai gaji syakri syaki Mla Pule kathan Baridua kalanang Pynjanai Iaka Shlem Pule ban priang yak jingnang jingsta ci kena skul hagaba mentagasi kalayo ban Plie Iaka Science Lab nagbentagi kena Pule Science kat kujuk ba mentah kumban supen pau baga Skul Savio Hss School mentau senam kadang supen ya dekat tanat Pule Science bat kani kalong ke jingkurku ke bakrau yaki kena Pule kani kathan kamtam ki kimik pa kiba kimdon kam shu ban phak school chajngai namar ketika school mentah keladon yaka arts commerce ba science stream ya ketika science lab lawan ban Plie ba mentah kasingi duba sustainable satun Mla Jirang constituency kumkongsan haringat kejingadon lang ka Rubidas DSEO karibhoi sister Molly Thomas principal ki father ki sister ki nohingkai lembat ki kena school.
Very happy to learn that this school, Savio High Secondary School, is growing faster. The growth of this school, it is because of the hard work of the principal, the teachers, all the sisters, the parents, and especially you all, my dear students. It's very hard to imagine that any school to grow without each individual performance of the students, boys and girls. Education is one of the very important weapons that can change the world. In today's modern world, in every society, we are all talking about changes. In your school, we are all talking about changes. What is there to change? Talking about changes of this world, the society, our village, the atmosphere. One very important is education.
It brings back memories, two different memories, my school life and my life as a teacher. So both these feelings really overwhelmed me with so much joy as I came from there up here. All along the way, the lovely children welcoming us with so much joy and cheer. I felt like we are entering into the angels are welcoming us and we're entering into heaven. It felt, crossed my heart, and I thank God for giving me this beautiful opportunity of coming and meeting, and Sister Molly being there in my office that day. Perhaps if she wouldn't have come, I wouldn't have been here today.
MeghalayaPost.news.